Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish butter cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 225 grams of unsalted butter, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is key for a smooth dough. Now, let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the flour, mixing on low speed until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. We want a tender cookie. Time to shape our cookies. Transfer the dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Pipe your desired shapes onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each cookie. Once shaped, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for maintaining their beautiful form. Finally, it's baking time. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the chilled cookies for 10 to 12 minutes, or until their edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious homemade Danish butter cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.